One more JEE problem, JEE 2024 problem given. Given A as a square matrix such that A into A transpose equal to I, then half A into A plus A transpose whole square plus A minus A transpose whole square is how much? We have to select the option. So here we can write this given expression as half A into, inside the bracket simplification will be 2 into A square plus A transpose whole square as A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square is equal to 2 into A square plus B square. Based on that we have written like this, which is equal to A into A transpose whole square here. So A into A square plus A transpose whole square. So this can be written as A into A square becomes A cube plus A into A transpose whole square can be written as A transpose into A transpose. A into A transpose is given as I here. So we can write this as A cube plus I into A transpose, which becomes A cube plus A transpose. So fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Thank you for watching. Here matrix A is given as cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. You have to find out the value of A power minus 50 when theta is pi by 12. First of all, from the given data, A square can be written as A into A. When you find A into A, we can get cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta sin 2 theta cos 2 theta, and we will check the higher powers of A here. That's why we have found A square. Next, A cube, which can be written as A square into A, whose value we can get it as cos 3 theta minus sin 3 theta sin 3 theta cos 3 theta. Similarly, when we find A power 50, we can get it as cos 50 theta minus sin 50 theta sin 50 theta cos 50 theta. But we want the value of A power minus 50. A power minus 50 can be written as A inverse whole power 50, whose value can be written as cos 50 theta sin 50 theta minus sin 50 theta cos 50 theta. So here, when theta equal to pi by 12, at theta is equal to pi by 12, which is equal to 15 degrees, cos 50 theta value becomes root 3 by 2. Similarly, sin 50 theta sine 50 theta value becomes 1 by 2. So our value of a power minus 50 becomes root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and root 3 by 2. This is our answer. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching. This is a JEE problem of 2019. If the system of linear equations like this have been given, where ABC are non-zero real numbers, is saying, has more than one solution, the equations are having more than one solution, then which of the following options is right? If you observe these equations, this second equation will be equal to sum of first and third. That means what? Second equation, b value is equal to a plus c, we are getting 2x plus 1x 3x, 2x minus 3y, 2y minus 3y minus y, 3z plus 2z 5z. So we can write b minus c minus a equal to 0 without thinking much about the problem. By observing the equations itself, we are getting the right option as this option A. Option A is the right option. Thank you for watching. One more problem, the system of linear equations x plus y plus z equal to 2, 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 5, 2x plus 3y plus a square minus 1 into z equal to a plus 1. We have to check whether it is having infinitely many solutions or unique solution at different values of a, whatever given in the options. We have to check the options here. First of all, we will write the determinant value of coefficient matrix. 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, a square minus 1. On simplifying this, when you find the determinant value, on simplifying is, you can get a square minus 3. See, for unique solution, this determinant value should not be equal to 0. So for unique solution, a square minus 3 should not be equal to 0. That means what? A should not be equal to plus or minus root 3 we can take. Okay. For inconsistent equations, obviously for inconsistent equations, a value will be equal to root 3 we can take. Determinant mod a value can be taken as root 3. For inconsistent equations, this mod a can be taken as root 3. So our right option will be the third option, is inconsistent when mod a equal to root 3. Third option is the right option. Thank you for watching. One more problem. Matrix P is given as root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. Matrix A is given as 1, 1, 0, 1 and Q value is PA into P transpose. Then P transpose into Q power 2015 into P is question mark. First of all, we shall find the higher powers of matrix A here, so that it will be useful in further steps, further procedure. So A square, I will find it first. A into A, which we can get it as 1201 on simplification. Similarly, A cube is equal to A square into A, which I can get it as 1301. So that I will conclude that if A power 2015, if I get, this value will be 1 2015 and 01. And then next, here I will write Q power 2015 value. To find this value, I have to know Q power 2015. Q power 2015 can be written as PAP transpose into PAP transpose and so on. PAP transpose 2015 factors. Here we can take. So this can be taken as, one thing we can observe that P transpose into P, when we find, we can get that value as identity matrix. Here P transpose into P equal to identity matrix we can get. So I can write this expression value as P transpose into P, every time it becomes identity matrix, so that the power of A gets increased up to 2015. First factor will be P, second factor will be A power 2015, third factor will be P transpose at last. On simplifying this expression, I can get like this. So A power 2015 I have, but here P transpose into Q power 2015 into P value I need. For this one, I can know this as P transpose into Q power 2015. This this value can be written as P into A power 2015 into P transpose into P. This becomes I here. I into A power 2015 is A power 2015. Here at last we have P. That P we will write here. Instead of first two factors we have identity matrix. Instead of last two factors we have identity matrix. And middle one is A power 2015. This value will be as it is. So this can be written as 1 2015 01, which we found earlier in this step. So the answer for this expression is the matrix having the elements 1 2015 0 and 1. Thank you for watching.